Today's video is sponsored by my self-haircut course.
It's your man Alex, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a flawless Ivan Drago from Rocky IV haircut tutorial. So for the first guideline, I'm going to be using the number 1 guard lever open and going up with the clippers just slightly above the eyebrows. Now using the number 2 guard lever open, I'm going to be going up about a full inch from the previous guideline all the way around the head, and then I'm also going to be closing the lever to the halfway position and then closing the lever all the way to soften up the hard line. Now to make the fade as clean as possible, I'm using the number 1.5 guard, starting with the lever open, and I'm gradually going to down fade to remove the hard line, going from lever open to halfway and then closing the lever completely to completely remove the hard line. Now if you still feel like you see a little bit of the hard line, put the number 1 guard back on and put the lever in the halfway position and use the corners to knock out the rest of the hard line. Now using the number 3 guard lever open, I'm going up another 1 inch from the previous guideline, but I'm also going to be going up at a 90-degree angle, going up straight off the head. Now for the top of the hair, I'm just going to be going in and blending everything together. So I'm cutting off about ½ inch off the top, but really I'm just going around the perimeter of the top of the hair and blending everything into the existing fade on the sides and back. You can also use a pair of thinning shears to blend in the hair as well.
Before we continue with the video, I want to thank today's sponsor, my self-haircut course. My goal with this course is to help you learn a lifelong skill set that will keep your money in your pocket and save you hours of your time every self-haircut by not having to drive to and from a barbershop and pay for an inflated price plus the tip. Take advantage of my self-haircut course, which provides you weekly one-on-one private coaching calls, live streamed interactive self-haircut tutorials, a private community group chat, and over 60 high-quality videos on the Teachable platform. To start saving your time and money by learning how to cut your own hair, click on the first link in the description to start today. Thank you, Self-Haircut Course, for sponsoring this video.
Now using my trimmer, I'm just going to be going in and cleaning up the hairline as much as possible, making the lines as straight as I can, just to clean up everything and make the haircut come together and look a bit more sharp. So after I lined him up, I figured it would have been a good idea to give him a taper as well. So I did end up giving him a taper on the back of his neck and by his sideburns as well. So really just making the fade look that much better and adding that extra detail to the haircut. Now to style his hair, I ended up using one of his products that he got from Germany. It's some type of gel that doesn't have alcohol. It was pretty good, so I think it did a good job styling his hair. As you guys can see, here is the before. His hair was definitely flat, needed a lot of work. I came in and bam! Ivan Drago from Rocky IV. My man's looking fresh to death, about to jump on the movie scene, take a, bust out the photo shoot. He's looking fresh to death. He's about to go on 20 dates right now. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a like, share it with a friend, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Definitely click the links in the description as well to check out my self-haircut course. But you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.